it's Kristi. Welcome back. We are here with a flip through of our Blush and Bloom 3 signature journal. I have used a crochet trim 1-yard piece as the closure. We've got a chipboard cover and some of the ephemera for the cover decorations here with a little bit of the lace trim. We've sewn in the 3 signatures with a 3-hole binding, and I don't know, all of a sudden I went blank on the binding. I put a piece of some lace and wrapped it around. Excuse me. We do have a fabric spine underneath, and well, there's chipboard in there covered with fabric, and then I have the lace on the top. So let's get in to this. Make sure I'm on screen for you. I have put one of the journal pages on the front there with a little sneaky pocket here. Actually, I think I'm going to pull this out just so people know there's a pocket, and I'm just going to leave that like that, kind of as a little flip up. This collection is by Pink Monarch Prints, and all the information is going to be in the description box. Originally, I had said I was using two kits from them, and I ended up only using the Blush and Bloom. But they do have it in like 3 different sections. I think there's a fussy cut, and there was a folio, and the journal kit itself. So, but all that information's in the box below. So this is the beautiful collection with the pastels, and it kind of lent itself to a little bit more lace. We made 18 tags together. And so we've got 18 pockets that this is a little flip up for writing here. Got some of the fussy cuts and some lace. Like I said, lots and lots of blanks. I did not overfill this because I wanted to make sure there was enough writing space. So this is one of our full page pockets that we did. It has the tag here. It has a little belly band here. You can slide some things in. It says Find the Joy, and then there is a pocket also back here. This was the other thing that I added, was the Cara brand, and I'll make sure that that's linked in the description because I'm not sure that I actually did that, but it's the Sepia collection, and I have coffee dyed them. So another one of the background pages, music paper, and this is a little coin envelope that we used as a tuck spot, so that by the way, these are all printed on the back so you can journal. This one actually has a little tuck spot here, and then it goes in this tuck spot, has a little card that pulls out, you can journal here. So lots of fun little writing spots. So some lace trim. And then that was the other kit, was the paperclip kit that matched the Blush and Bloom. So we have 3 of everything because there's 3 signatures. So in the back of this, I just have stuck some additional ephemera for writing. Like I said, all of these pages, great. This is the center of that first signature. You could even put photos here if you wanted. So I have left lots of space for writing. I wanted to have a writing journal. This one has a little pocket on the front with a tag in it. Today is your day. And this was a journal card from the collection that I just turned into a pocket, put a little bit of lace there for some texture, some coffee dyed paper, and well, that's one of Cara Brandon's as well. And here we have another pocket. This one is a file folder that flips down, and I've just clipped that on. There's a pocket here with some tags, and then of course our big tag. This is some drawing paper. I just wanted something with a little bit different texture, but the I guess it's kind of a newsprint. It has a texture, but it's also kind of a creamy pastel-y color, so I liked that. And then these pages or papers are beautiful. So here's another pocket with the tag, music, our other tuck spot here. That back in there, so we have a tag in the back, also another pocket, writing on the back. Our other paper clip here, I love this one. So this one has a belly band. It's really cute. Writing on the back. And then on the back of this one there again, I just stuck some extra tags and some writing cards. These are also printed on the back. And then some of these advertisements. I love these advertisements. They're so fun. All right. Another tuck spot here. This one has a pocket with some tags. And then we have this card that fits in this pocket. See if I can actually get it back in that pocket. There we go. Okay, another Cara Brandon page. This is the center of this signature. It'd be great for photos. And I usually will fill up more, but I just felt like it had enough. So I really like this long. You could relocate this as a label if you wanted to. And really pretty. And that just fit in this pocket here. Coming across some resistance there. I don't know what that is. Oh, I do know what that is. That is the side flaps. Okay. Another the other side of that Cara Brandon. Here's the file folder with the pocket. I thought those were really fun. And then our tag here, also pocket with some more tags, and the little advertising Hotel de Parc. Okay. Well, let's get it back in there. You probably wouldn't have to have these paper clips on here because this lays pretty flat, but I just wanted to make sure it stays that way until it gets to where it's going. So these lay pretty flat. You can see that this lays really flat for writing. I love that. And that has to do with the space that I left here. I left about a ½ inch between the signatures, so that allows the pages to lay pretty flat. And I let the paper, wanted to let the paper speak for itself. It's so beautiful. I had a comment one time, said, why do you guys put this beautiful paper on there and then cover it all up? And yeah, we do. But then we print it out again and and do it all over. So cute tag. And then here again we have a corner tuck writing spot. Little flip. Another paper clip, which these can just be moved. This one, I love this little pink bird with the advertising card. And these little paper clips have pockets too. There's little tiny little cards inside here, so yeah, those are a lot of fun to maybe write some tiny notes on. Get that straight. I didn't go up high enough there. There we go. Okay. My fingers aren't as nimble. So, like, for instance, this one has these little tags, and it has a little envelope here that actually will flip up, and there's a little card inside. So, I don't want to ruin all the surprises, but I'm going to kind of round that so I can get that back in that spot. Get in there. It's going underneath. There we go. Okay. And then here's some more tag and advertisement and a writing card. The pocket, and then this one has a pocket at the top. There again, this can be moved and used wherever. Doesn't have to stay in the tag if you don't want it to. And then this is a flip down file folder. Another Cara Brandon page. I really like those. There's the center of that last signature. Just a really fun one to put together. There's a pocket. And now on this one, it didn't have a lot going on, so I just put a little cluster there, and I use these circle punches to make the little topper there, because once I stuck it in the pocket, the cluster disappeared, and I was like, I need something on the top of that, so that's why that's there. And then this says, good things are coming. So there we go. And then this was another one of those topper pages. It could be a topper for the front of a journal, but I used it as a full page pocket. And we have this with a pocket on the front. And then this just goes in here like so, with a little bit of lace trim and a butterfly that says beautiful. On this side we have our other corner flip. Little bird. And music. And there again, lots and lots of writing pages. And then this is the back. I've done that again with the extra. And I'm just going to stick that there like that. So, yeah, this one was fun. I did leave the back, you know, with just the decorative paper, because I don't like to decorate the back. I feel like it gets, you know, when you're moving it around and taking it place to place, it can snag or whatever. So there we go. And there's plenty of room. I'm tying a big bow, so plenty of room for this to grow. You can see it's pretty full, but not overstuffed. Definitely not an alligator mouth, and lots of room to add your own things to it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.